That's just a good thing for him to... Oh, watch the ball, huh? You ready to go bowling? Ready?
Whoa!
Thanks, Kaya. Do you want to take a turn? You want a turn?
Sure.
Set him up the ball. Kellen wants a turn too.
Kellen!
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Do you see Daddy?
Hi, Kellen.
Okay, look, Kaya's gonna have a turn. Watch her. She did it! Yay! Oh no, Daddy did it! Kellen, have a
Can
turn.
Kellen have a turn?
Will you give us the ball?
I'll stack it up.
Okay.
Kellen's ready.
Okay, give Kellen the ball. Give Kellen the ball.
There you go, Kellen. Oh, you missed.
Okay, can you go get the ball again?
Say thanks, Kaya. Thanks, sister. You gonna do it? That was fun, huh? You want to go get the ball yourself? You can go get the ball. Oh, you like the pins too, don't you, Kellen? Oh, there it goes. Oh, you like watching that ball, don't you? You watch that ball. There it comes. I'll get you. Roll it gently, Kaya, so it won't hurt him.
Roll it gently. Roll it soft.
Woohoo! Get it, Kellen. Get it. Shall we set some pins up for him?